Hi guys, welcome back to my search for freedom. Last time, if you remember, I showed you the land, and I told you that I will be cutting some trees on the land just to plant different trees, because the trees that we have now, they are not fruit trees, they are just normal trees. We can use the trees for woods, lumbers, but we cannot have any fruits. Therefore, to be able to cut the trees, I have to have an authorization. Today, we are going to meet an agronomist who will come and visit the land, and she will tell me, she will give me some advice, and then after that, I will receive the permit to cut the trees. If you see me talking to her right now, we are just discussing about the situation, how we're going to proceed. Because in Rwanda, actually, you cannot just come and if you have a land, if it has a lot of trees on it, you just come and cut all the trees. You come and ask for permission to a specific office, and then an agronomist comes with you and see what you want to do and give you the permit or the authorization to cut the trees. So this is what we are going to do. Right now, we are going to look at the trees, or I'm going to show her the trees we are going to cut, and then she will tell me what to do with them. Actually, guys, the reason why I am not letting you hear what she is really saying, because we are speaking in French, and then it will take me too long to explain, to translate what I'm talking with her. Anyway, if you have any suggestions for me, I'm open to that. You can leave me a comment under this video, and then the next time we will come on this land will be the time where we are probably going to cut the trees, or I will show you what we are doing on it. Okay, let's watch what we're going to discuss with Mrs. Jeanne, the agronomist. Yes, guys, I am here now with the agronomist, Mrs. Jeanne. She's with me, and then she was giving me some advice. She speaks French, she doesn't speak English. She told me that it's no problem to cut the trees. I showed her the trees that I want to cut on the land. She told me it's okay to cut them. And now I have permission. She also gave me an advice that I can offer the trees to the school there, because there is a school not far from the land here. Not far, maybe 500, not even, maybe 100 meter or 200 meter, the school is right there. So I can offer the trees to the school, because they're gonna use it as firewoods to cook for the kids, for the kids. So when I told her that the trees are still fresh because they cannot make firewoods with them, she told me, no, that's no problem. They will buy it, and then they will keep it there until the trees are, the woods are dry enough to use them as firewoods. Yes. So, and then she also gave me another information that I didn't know, how much a tree like this can cost. It's about, you said 2,000? Yeah, 2,000 francs, which is about, not, maybe about $1.50. So maybe $1.50. And then some of them that are the big one. How much is this big one can cost? 300. 3,000? 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. Not 300. 3,000. The ones that are big are more expensive than the ones that are small. So we will come with the people here I will offer the school the trees and see if they want to buy them. If they want to buy them, we will sell them. After they come, if they can come and cut the trees themselves, I don't need to employ anyone to cut the trees. Je n'ai pas besoin d'employer quelqu'un pour venir couper. S'ils veulent acheter, ils peuvent venir eux-mêmes couper les arbres. Ensuite, moi, ce que je veux faire, je vais venir avec d'autres personnes, employer quelqu'un d'autre pour enlever les racines. Pour enlever les racines. Parce que si on enlève les racines, ça va être mieux. On peut planter ici. On peut planter les arbres fruitiers. On peut même planter d'autres choses. We can plant other things. Not only the avocado trees, mango trees. While we put them there, we can also put other things like maize. Like, what do you think? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez?
Je pense que si vous coupez des arbres ici, il est mieux que vous remplacez l'autre arbre. Même ça peut fruitier, ça peut être arbre. Il suffit arbre.
Ok. Ok. Mais on ne peut pas mettre autre chose. On ne peut pas mettre des haricots. Parce que les arbres qu'on va mettre, ça va être petit. Avant que ça grandisse, on peut planter autre chose.
Oui.
Oui, avant. Yeah, before the other trees grow up, we can plant other things.
Oui.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much for coming here. So I don't need a paper. Do I need a paper?
Oui.
Ok. Vous avez le papier où? Au bureau?
Au bureau.
Au bureau.
Oui.
Et puis on va aller au bureau.
Oui.
On va prendre le papier. Oui. Merci beaucoup. On peut aller ensemble.
Merci.
On peut aller ensemble. All right. So as I said in my last video, I said I was coming to cut the trees. It's not the work yet, but I have the permission now. So, as I said, we are going to offer the trees to people who want to buy woods or firewoods or whatever they want to do with them. After that, they will cut. After we cut the trees, we will employ some people to come and uproot those woods. So, I think I'm going to talk to you soon. Remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment the videos.